wanted to put earrings on. I think it looked cute. But anyways, here to review Tattoo Brows. This is from Maybelline. I don't think they sell this in the States, but I seen a review on it, and I was like, I want to get microblading, but my money is like low right now, so I'm just going to try to do that. So, you know me. I went on Amazon. I'm a whole Amazon Prime member, y'all. Please sell this at. It's called Tattoo Brow Easy Peel Off Tint. It stays on up to 3 days. We'll see. They say between 20 minutes and 2 hours. I ain't doing no 2 hours. I'm gonna do 20 minutes. So, bruh. Can't be cute. It's cool. I can't be cute. My little rainbow earrings don't want to stay warm. Don't drag me. Don't drag me, sis. So first, I'm using my little edges brush. Whatever. Use what you got, sis. So I'm brushing it up, right? Brushing it up. And then all you're going to basically do is outline your brows. 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 I don't know about y'all, but I still like ba-da, boot up. Baby da-da, boot up. Take it out the applicator. Whoa, and I heard this thing is nice and thick. Jeez Louise. You put it on your brows. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Oh, this shit is thick. I'm out here in these streets and y'all see me? And I look crazy? Please don't come for me. Oh. So anywhere I mess up, I'm just going to take some tissue or a Q-tip. I think I got Q-tips. And I'm going to push through. So in this front part, I'm going to stroke it out. I'm going to try. Stroke, stroke, stroke. So my advice, if you buy this, take your time. Take your time, sis. Ooh, well, I should have my Q-tips on deck the way this thing is set up. Fuck it, let's go. Clean it up, sis. No rush. Because it's saying it's going to last 3 days. And it's already staining. So. It's already staining. Yeah, so take your time, sis. And I forgot I got that more on my eyebrow, but you know what around it. Let me hear you say. Lollipopping, twerking, and some J's on the dance floor. J's. Remember that part? I got a couple of J's and every time y'all still trying to be hood, but then that same little girl from Brooklyn. Funny thing is, when I was younger, I ain't had that many J's. But now that I'm older, and I could afford it sometimes, I got all these freaking sneakers. Well, I did have a lot of sneakers when I was younger, but I wasn't a fly kid in school. I was getting through. I was just getting through it. Sometimes there comes a moment where one eyebrow be on fleek, and then here comes her cousin, unarched. Oh, hell no. Oh. So that's, see, this one's already, your thing dries super fast. Yeah, guys, we're gonna let it sit for 20 minutes. 2, 0. Gonna let it sit for 20 minutes. And then I'ma come back and please be, baby. Turn around and just tease me, baby. You know what I want and what I need, baby. Let me hear you say, please. Let me hear you say, please. Peel it off. So you basically gotta wait. And in the picture, she said before she was looking trashed and now she looking better. So let's see. I said 20 minutes, but I left it on for 2 hours and a half. All right, so I guess it's gonna last 3 days, supposedly, right? So let's take it off. Oh, snap. Y'all see that? Oh, that's some dope ass G. Oh my goodness. Y'all see my eyebrows before. Sparse. I don't know if y'all can see that. That's dope. I didn't even pull my hair. I don't want to pull, like, you know, your hair. I should put this on first. That's the one I put on first, but it don't matter. It's going like I'm going back and fixing. Add more, add less, so I'll come up as easy as the first one. So I guess it works, y'all. We lit. So they definitely came out nice as hell. Looked like I filled my eyebrows, but I didn't. Like crazy. Not bad. But yeah, I had to turn my light. I changed it for y'all so that you could see it better. But these really came out nice. I'll give this a thumbs up. Cause yeah, I was gonna do microblading, but microblading is like $500 or $1,000, depending on where you go, sis. And I don't got it like that right now. So I would recommend this, and I'm gonna wear them for, let's see if it lasts 3 days. If they don't, I'll let y'all know. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me in the comments. Comment down below. In 3 days after I post it, we'll go over it. But I'll put the link down below for where I got this from. I got this from Amazon. And I don't think they sell this in the US. But I'm trying it out for y'all, sis. But other people try this on YouTube. Jackie Ina, another female that she got it from. I'll link their YouTube pages below, because when I see that they tried it, another YouTuber tried it, I was like, I gotta try that. Because these right here, hey, y'all see, y'all feeling these? Because I am. Ooh, the haters on my body, check them off. Brows. And it's supposed to last 3 days, so hopefully it lasts 3 days. But I like them. I know you like them. Because, sis, I did not fill in my brows, bruh. I didn't fill in my brows. That's just my brows, sis. And they are sisters. They're no longer cousins. Sis, they're coming through. They're pushing all the way through, sis. Do you see this, sis? Oh, let me change the light for y'all, because, oh, even better, sis. What? I look like I did got my eyebrows done. Like, you know, I'm going out. Where I'm going. You like this video? I'll make more trying things. I buy enough random things, enough packages from Amazon. I'll try them out, review them for you guys, and I'll make a video. Comment down below. Please subscribe. Like this video so your girl can keep making more. Because, you know, I be out here trying to do it for my dogs. All right. See y'all later. Deuces.